before you scroll away, imagine an ATV that's tough enough for work, smooth enough for trails, and built by Honda to last for years. This is the new 2026 Honda TRX200D. And today on Wheelwise Joe, I'm telling you why this machine might be one of the smartest small ATVs you can buy. Right from the start, the 2026 Honda TRX200D feels like it's designed for real riders, not just weekend showpieces. Honda has always been known for reliability, and this ATV carries that legacy forward with a simple, rugged design that focuses on durability, control, and ease of use. Whether you're new to riding or someone who wants a dependable machine for daily tasks, the TRX200D fits perfectly into that space. Under the seat, the TRX200D delivers smooth and predictable power that's easy to manage. It's not trying to be the fastest ATV on the trail, and that's actually its biggest strength. The power delivery feels controlled, making it ideal for farm work, trail riding, or learning how to ride with confidence. You can feel that Honda engineered this ATV to be forgiving, stable, and stress-free. One thing that really stands out on the 2026 model is how comfortable it feels. The riding position is natural, the seat is supportive, and the controls are laid out in a way that just makes sense. Long rides don't feel tiring, and tight trails don't feel intimidating. The suspension does a solid job of soaking up bumps, keeping the ride smooth even on uneven ground. Durability is where the TRX200D truly shines. From the strong frame to the well-protected components, this ATV feels like it's built to take abuse and keep going. Honda's attention to detail shows in the small things: clean wiring, solid plastics, and a finish that holds up over time. This is the kind of ATV you buy once and rely on for years. Maintenance is another big plus. The 2026 Honda TRX200D is designed to be easy to own, with simple servicing and Honda's legendary reliability reducing downtime. That means more riding and less worrying about repairs. If you're looking for an ATV that's practical, trustworthy, and enjoyable to ride without unnecessary complexity, the 2026 Honda TRX200D deserves your attention. This isn't about flashy features. It's about real-world performance and long-term value. This is Wheelwise Joe, bringing you honest insights on machines that matter. If you found this helpful, stick around, because smarter rides start right here.